Mama wakwaba aha GC and page so meeting at the Addo searching and then the day kanya wo de ehwe me a mesra na wa subscribe to my channel. We are now don sa emia be on so we be notification and the sun news said betun bia we be bi atie anase we be bi ahwe e GC and page ha. Prophet Nigel Gezi na okase na edensem na prophet kan nsem okin na ne say ordinary achirem Ashanti region na owo Kumase okoye interview we ewo Angel FM ayewo Kumase na ho na prophet Nigel Gezi editu dwa na okire say his excellency na Addo Akufo Addo we di Asante man abro papa chese wanye hwe ewo Ashanti region na obae no oma na omo drive no de efa Kumasi krono mu nyina titrupa ensofo line eho line no enya de a ekwan no eye Kumasi akwan enye baako sei waba Kumasi na wakoho na okoho no hofo omo kwan eye ankasa na Nigel Prophet Nigel trese his excellency na Addo Akufo Addo oyesa wanya de o Jubilee House sia because of Ashanti region ti se yeto aba ewo Ghana hanom na se omobobo regions ni nyina na se Ashanti region emba ya na NPP fo mu akoma atomo yem Ashanti region eba pe na chese abe se bibia na chese NPP fo afa na nso ya de a NPP fo mo ba power mo ntu mo ani emfa nhwe Asante memu na mo nye development ewo Ashanti region enfema Asante fo a omo eto aba ede emamo nti prophet Nigel Gezi chese his excellency na Addo Akufo Addo we disappointed eye Asante man ankasa because omo kwan na enye waba Kumase wakoho nso akwakwohwe na hokra na omo abatu mu no ekoma NDC fo no wodi wani echirem voter regional omo to aba ya de omo to ma NDC fo ankasa utwa utidi ma omo krampo na enya de omo to aba no ede ama nti na esen ka his excellency na Addo Akufo Addo ebeye omanpani nkodeni echiremu Ashanti regional obo omo pa ba kame akoyese we yinani ede ama Ashanti region fo na yenti ensema prophet Nigel Gezi ede etudwa.
So enya ba NDC or MPP and now me ba me momo driving me through Sofo line mo central market. Look, your roads are bad. President Akufo Addo is in the Jubilee House because of Ashanti region. He is in the Jubilee House because of Ashanti region. And come and see the roads of Ashanti region. Last 2 weeks I was in England before the Go and check the roads in Ho, quality roads. 3 hours from Dome to your friend is saying, wait to me, you can make it to your friend say Togo. I went to pray for the one of the Prime Minister of Togo. 3 hours, Mike. Namit no Togo. Your roads Ashanti region are bad. But you are.
But when you say ABSwa, we are singing the COVID because of the whole countries they share COVID.
I'm very happy, sir. I came to meet a young man, a very handsome young man like you. We the young people, we cannot go the way some of our seniors went. Young cancer enye. The present Akufo administration wasn't like this. The best NPP government ever is the President Akufo administration, and everybody will attest to it. What is happening now? It is the West. For me, the West in the Fourth Republic is this regime, insecurity on the high.
Social media phobia omon feriade. Any journalist phobia omumbu omo. Omonte amembu ase. A starte sorry so almost omo beka amembu sem. My question to the friend and anaba namwa, Madam Tuno girl, or no nimbi bia, Madam Dubai connection woman, Tihamame. Politics is not about putting on makeup, wearing fancy clothes, and speaking unnecessary slangs on TV. Let me tell you that. Let me take that again. Somebody tell Nana Banamwa, say, politics is not about putting on makeup, putting on a lipstick or a lip gloss or say, wearing expensive clothes and sitting on TV and radio. Oh, boy, when it say, oh, slang it. That is not politics. Because some of you people, you are the main reason why. Mutie, you are the main reason why politicians are getting away with all the evil stuff they do. Somebody like Nana Banamwa, when it comes to talking about politics, she was there talking about, oh, when someone make us say, hey, Mahama, let me tell you something. Ye former ye boy, Nana Manamo, if you don't know what politics is, politics is continuous. Okay? It is a continuity. It is a DB Jow. Nasa when to me and Shesuye, Nasa dear no ko baby a enya. It is only right we point it to you, say, Nana Banam way, some move we are we a move. These days, me back from Ghana, and I know my imagine say, cause some of you no me jam, but mama me who say, Nyansan kasa your friend in Nyansano, maton bibia dia yeska. Politics is not about putting on the fancy clothes and sitting on TV and talking just what you don't understand. It goes deeper than that. Nana Banamwa. It's not about checking on people who are, I mean, how do you call it? People who are trying to be journalists, and then it is far more than that. Politics is not a joke. If politics was a joker, and Kamahama would have succeeded being the president. And yes, consume a born hina, the ayami a she woman is sister Cynthia. Almost sorry, omubu bena kakraka, yana nanomubu bena kakraka chreyen. But the ayade bene yenedie, and person nipam, they would only interpret the beno if it only favors them. Somebody should tell Nana Banamwa that before Nana Akufo came onto the presidency, there was a hole, manhole, and ayadege ediaguo. And for you to be on the level playing field, you need to fill all the vacuum now. You are supposed to fill all of it to the level where it's supposed to be. And sana, ube to me build it, I build it. And I want Nana Banamwa to IMF conditionality. Now, if she has any ounce of shame in her, she should come on her platform. She should go on GH1 and tell people what policy credibility of a country means. Since you guys don't want us to say, Mahama is the cause, we want you, Nana Banamwa, Madam, I know it all, Madam Brofosem, come and tell the whole Ghanaians, say, answer na President Akufo Addo Bano, na Ghana, your economy, neshe. Charlie, these days, yeah, my mama may say populist bullshit way no obi wo. Ya beba be pam ho ntoma wo. Ya be ro mo ho, ya be strip mo naked man crofo etie mo an say mo ye shallow. Especially Ghana journalists. Over 85% of you and some phony sikatan time and mo pedi ni Ghana. Because I say 2 years beba. Ghana there aban ne sesa. Enti now all of a sudden obi akoke bia ma NDC now. My question to Nana Banamwane say, before Nana Akufo Addo came into government, where was Ghana's economy? Where was the constitution of Ghana? Where was the legal and all the frameworks that makes up Ghana? Where was it? Was it there already? And Akufo Addo by Nasadi in Naba. Let's try to be honest and deal with things as they're supposed to deal with things. And stop showing our ignorance and our stupidity to the very people that give us the audience to listen to us. Nana Banamwe, again, me so say, politics is not about putting on makeup, having the biggest human weave on, and then just sitting down and talking trash about things you don't understand. Please. As for me, I don't do nkwasia politics. No, I don't do that. Nkwasia politics nene den. Nkwasia politics nene say unim no kre na ubekata weni just to favor what you are looking for to lie. Especially when you are a journalist, it's even more stupid. Because you the journalist, you are the one that is supposed to be the middleman. When somebody is lying, when a politician is lying, it is the duty of the person we call the journalist to be the mediator to let us know the truth. It is only in Ghana that journalists actually themselves cook propaganda and put it out just so they can sell stories. It is only Ghana and a journalist kuku story any training nine. Now when you Jimmy Fuaji say that is how it is going. Just like I said, politics is not about arranging girls to go and meet sheikhs and imams in Dubai. No. Politics is not about putting girls together to go and endanger their life in Dubai. Nana Banamwa, it goes beyond that. It goes beyond sleeping with rich men. Nana Banamwa, since that is where you want to go. Sometimes we try to be a bit dokro. But some of you, say, we have to remember and say who you are. Because some of you, say, and then I weave. Time I weave, you know, Mumu say, some of you, not some back cry, and then they are one fan no ton stone tea, Jimmy phobia could pay opportunity, and what to you know, or they are better, no, can't quasi assem, they are one tears here, they are winning, and no, no, yeah. But Nanaba should be very, very ashamed of herself. Because if she is an honest journalist, and she claims, say, she wants a better Ghana, she should have been bold enough to tell Ghanaians and say, where the economy was 2016 is worse than where we are now. Where the economy was, whereby in 2016, you bought a petrol for 92 cents a liter. Today, you are buying petrol for $1, and you are there crying. Go and look at the years, 6 years near, from 92 to 8, to, Fanny said, 92 to 100, 8 differential. So for 6 years, this is what Akufo Addo has done when it comes to our gas. Compare that to 2012 when Mahama took over to 2016. Check the